Vaseline on my skin. I was surprised at the instant results, the way it glows my skin. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple mask. So I need my rice powder here. Rice powder is actually natural skin whitening powder. This is what Japanese and Korean people have been using. And the next thing I need is my turmeric, which is super glower and brighter. Okay, and it helps to brighten the skin. And Blue Sea Vaseline, which helps to get rid of fine lines, also get rid of wrinkle and shines the skin and moisturizes the skin 100%. See, if Blue Sea Vaseline is very nice. Or if you can lay your hands on other Vaseline like Cosmo, Vaseline, they have ranges of Vaseline. So the next thing I have is my vitamin E capsule. This original vitamin E capsule, which helps to brighten the skin as well. And I added my Grace cleanser, okay? And I just mix everything together the way you see me doing right here. You will be amazed at the result of this if you try it, especially now you want to brighten up your complexion, you want to get rid of pigmentation, you just want your face to smooth, okay, to look clearer, brighter and smoother. Okay, this is what you need. So you apply on your face or you apply on your skin. This is for general, not just for the face alone. You can apply anywhere that you want to brighten up and it gives you super glow. And I will be leaving it for 30 minutes after you have massaged it into your face or into your skin perfectly well. You will leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you just rinse it off with warm water or with ordinary water and you are good to go. Instant results.